most premier realty, the real estate professionals.
Hello guys, Gabriel here. So today we find ourselves at Bwbr Beach Resort. Now this is phase 2 of already existing Bwbr Beach Villas, which is phase 1. So if you guys haven't heard anything about this or haven't seen my previous video, I invite you guys to please check it out. So essentially this is similar to phase 1 but with more amenities, and so today we want to show you guys the progress of the construction phase. Again, this is set to be completed December of this year, 2022. As the months get closer, if there's any changes, we'll let you guys know. But today we want to invite you guys in to already almost completed ground floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. All right. So yes guys, we just showed you the downstairs. One thing I wanted to highlight about the higher you go up, the better the view gets. All right, so that's one thing to take away with these condos here. And the best part is that it's the same price throughout, right? All it is, it's first come first serve basis. Right now we only have 3 condos left, 1 bedroom and 2 condos of 2 bedroom, 2 bath. All right.